Having a car AC that blows warm air can be frustrating, especially on a hot day. When your AC stops cooling properly, it can make driving uncomfortable. Here are some easy ways to fix an AC that is blowing warm air. Sometimes the problem is simple and easy to fix. Make sure the AC is turned on and the temperature is set to cold. Also, check that the fan speed is set to a higher setting to allow proper airflow and cooling. Adjusting these basic settings can often restore normal AC operation quickly. The compressor is the heart of your AC system, responsible for circulating refrigerant and cooling the air. If it is not working properly or making unusual noises, it may require repair or replacement. Addressing compressor problems promptly can prevent further damage and restore your AC's cooling performance. The AC clutch is responsible for engaging the compressor. If the clutch is not turning, the compressor will not function, preventing your AC from cooling. In many cases, the clutch may simply need adjustment or replacement to restore proper operation. A dirty cabin air filter can reduce airflow and make your AC less effective. Replace the filter regularly to ensure clean, cool air and maintain optimal cooling performance. Regular replacement also helps improve indoor air quality by trapping dust and allergens. The condenser, which looks like a small radiator at the front of your car, plays a key role in cooling. If it becomes blocked by debris or bent, it can reduce the AC's cooling efficiency. Carefully clean the condenser, and if it is damaged, consider replacing it to restore proper cooling. The pressure switch monitors the refrigerant levels in your AC system. If it fails, the system may not activate the compressor, preventing the AC from cooling. A mechanic can test the switch and replace it if necessary to ensure your AC functions properly. The blend door controls whether hot or cold air enters the cabin. If it becomes stuck or broken, you may only feel warm air coming from the vents. Repairing or replacing the blend door can restore proper airflow and cooling inside your vehicle. Even if there are no visible leaks, your AC may still need a refrigerant recharge. Always use the correct type of refrigerant and follow the instructions carefully to ensure safe and effective cooling. Regular maintenance can help maintain proper refrigerant levels and AC performance. A faulty thermostat can impact both engine temperature and AC performance. Replacing a bad thermostat can help restore proper cooling and ensure the AC and engine operate efficiently. Regular checks can prevent overheating and maintain overall system performance. By following these ways, you can troubleshoot your AC and enjoy a comfortable ride again.